Now I'm going to show you something really amazing. You can create a digital clone that looks and talks just like you with only 15 seconds of video. Plus, you can change your look and background with just a few clicks. On the home page, choose Create an Avatar and Clone a Real Person. To record with your webcam, allow HeyGen to access your camera and microphone. To record from your phone, click Record via Phone and scan the QR code. The code will expire after about 20 minutes, so if that happens, just click the Refresh Now button. HeyGen will give you a script to read, or you can just talk freestyle. If you click Upload Footage, you can also upload a video you previously recorded, and that's what we'll do here. HeyGen gives you a few instructions on this page. Speak expressively for at least 15 seconds, use natural expressions and gestures, pause between sentences, and choose a quiet, well-lit space. You can also talk for up to 2 minutes if you want to increase avatar quality. This video provides more tips on how to make your recording. The most important thing is to look directly at the camera and make sure your mouth is clearly visible. And if you aren't happy with the results, simply record your video again. When you're done, you can also clone your voice, which involves reading a short script. This will give you the best results, but if you don't want to do that, you can also use the voice from your recording. HeyGen will ask you to speak a security code to verify that it's really you. That's to prevent people from cloning others without their permission. Now let's make our new avatar a video star. Go back to the home screen and click this avatar button. Instead of choosing a public avatar, choose My Avatars and then type a prompt for your video. I'll give it a more detailed prompt this time. Create a video where I explain the power of continuous learning. Explain why the ability to unlearn and relearn is the most valuable skill in today's economy. Keep it clear, high impact, and upbeat. HeyGen creates the entire video for me, including script and B-roll.
The most valuable skill you can possess isn't what you already know. It's your ability to unlearn and relearn. We often think of learning as just adding new information, like filling a cup. But sometimes that cup is already full of outdated ideas. Unlearning is the process of letting go of what no longer serves you.
When you download the video, you can toggle this button to turn the captions on or off. If you want to change your avatar's look, choose Edit in AI Studio and click the scene where the avatar appears. Click Change Look and Design with AI. You can remix it from one of these existing looks or type in a description for your new look here. Let's change my look completely with this prompt. Bright modern keynote stage, diffuse studio spotlight, soft warm rim lighting, premium presentation atmosphere, tailored cream mock neck top. Once my new look is created, I can edit a new copy of my video in AI Studio and change the look. I'll select the scene with my clone wearing the pink top, click Avatar, and find my new look where I'm wearing the cream-colored top. HeyGen lets me know this means the lip sync will need to be rendered again, which is fine. This next step is important. On the Apply to Other Scenes button, I'll click the down arrow so I can choose where I want my new avatar to show up. I don't want to replace all the scenes in the video, only the ones where my Kimberly Go avatar is wearing the pink top. Then when I click the Apply button, you can see it changes my top from pink to cream. Now I'll generate the video and let's see how it came out.
The most valuable skill you can possess isn't what you already know. It's your ability to unlearn and relearn.
You can also use the video dubbing feature to have your avatar speak a completely different language.
La competenza più preziosa che puoi possedere non è ciò che già sai.
I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to try HeyGen for free. And if you're ready to keep leveling up your AI video skills, check out this video next.